Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to create a Facebook group. First of all, open Facebook account. After that, here you can see on the left side groups. Just click here, and after that click here create new group. So now here you can give a group name. Just I can copy the details and paste here. After that, here we can select, just keep it public. After that, here you can select friends and invite them, then click create. Here you can see the group has been created. After that, here you can change group cover image. Just click here edit, and after that click here upload photo. The next, now we can select cover image. Here you can see this is the cover image that I have got from the Canva. Just you can log in and get your Facebook image. Just you can customize and add according to your requirement. After that, click here save changes.